An airplane taking off from Miami, where the temperature is 80 Fahrenheit, and landing in Fairbanks, where the temperature is minus 50 Fahrenheit, faces significant temperature differences. If regular air is used to fill the airplane's tires, the moisture in the air can freeze at such low temperatures, forming ice that may cause the tires to burst upon landing. To prevent this, nitrogen gas is used in aviation tires because its freezing temperature is 346 Fahrenheit, which is far below the temperatures encountered in Fairbanks. This ensures the tire remains stable and do not burst. Besides, nitrogen enhances safety in cases of overheated tires during braking or runway emergencies, as it does not support combustion unlike oxygen in regular air.